Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, that generation between year 2009 and year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the relay is located for the blower motor fan, heater blower motor fan. Stay with us, we'll explain which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap relays from, and why it's always a good idea to test relays and fuses. That way you don't waste your time and money. Stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel, you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times, you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys. We take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here specifically, you can see. But even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. The main engine management fuse box is located under the hood. Okay, if we come right here under the hood, right above the radiator, you have your fuse box, okay, located like that. That's the cover right here. Once you open that fuse box, you see your fuses and relays looking just like that. You will be on this side of the fuse box, and that will be towards the windshield side where the relays are. Now, these relays could be, guys, okay, tricky to find out if they're working or not, so we decided to show you why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let's explain about that and we'll continue. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So, which relays for the blower motor fan? Now, those relays, guys, they're the Ford Motor Company relays, could be really hard to find at parts stores, so I'll recommend to keep one or two spares in your glove box just in case if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if you need to find them at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. If we come in that first row right here of relays and you count 1, 2, 3, even if you have a missing one, you still count it. That relay right here, guys, is for the blower motor fan. You need to check that relay right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.